Okay, so I'm making some bread, some rolls, and I forgot to film the first part of it. Sorry, my kids are in the background having a great time. But all I did was it comes with the mix in a packet and then 2 packets of the yeast, and then it tells you on the back that you just need a cup of, can you see that? Very warm water, 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter, and 1 egg. And so I just threw that in here and mixed it until the mixture became sticky and pulled away from the bowl. And then I just sprinkled some flour on this counter, and then I kneaded the bread for 5 minutes, and that will be just pulling it towards you and then kneading it out, pulling it towards you and then kneading it out. And I did that for 5 minutes, and then I divided it into 16 rolls, so 8 in each pan, and this is greased. And now I'm just going to cover it with a towel, like so. And these are going to go, I'm going to put them in the oven because it has to be somewhere warm for 30 to 45 minutes to let it rise. So we'll see how it looks after that. Okay, there it is. Wow.
Wait, Mommy.
I didn't know if it was gonna work or not.
Wait.
So now we're just gonna preheat our oven. So we're just gonna preheat our oven to 400. And then once it's preheated, we'll put these in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. I can't wait to try it. Very, very easy. Super easy.